Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how I made my brown rice veggie stir fry. I'm going to cook my brown rice according to the package instructions. I'm going to use homemade chicken broth instead of water. Here's the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to be using frozen peas and carrots, bok choy, 2 eggs, scallions, top and the bottom part, a half of a yellow onion, some roasted garlic, and some hoisin sauce for flavor. Now I'm going to go off camera and get everything sliced and diced, and I'll be right back. Here's my veggies all sliced and diced. I have my oil heating up in my pan. For this cook, I'm using sesame seed oil. I reserve some of the top of the green onions, and this is what I'll use for garnishing my rice when I serve it. And here's the finished product. I didn't want to bore you with the cooking process. Only thing I did was I added my sesame seed oil to the pan and warmed it up. And I cooked the onions first until they were softened, and then I added the frozen peas and carrots and tossed them around for a couple of minutes. And in a separate pan, I scrambled the eggs, and then I added the eggs and the rice. And at the end, I put just enough hoisin sauce to my taste. You can flavor it however you like. And don't be busting my chops because I didn't use a wok. I couldn't find my wok. I'm still unpacking, and I have no idea where it is. After I finished cooking my brown rice stir fry, I covered it up with a lid and I pushed it aside because I was working on something else at that time. So this rice is going to complement the orange chicken beautifully, and here's the finished dish. You can see I garnished it with my green onions, and this is what I served it with, my orange chicken with a side of sauce. And this is me when I was getting my smack on, and oh my Lord, I can't even begin to tell you the flavors. All those different flavors just worked so beautifully together. And that orange sauce, the sauce is the boss. You got to try that sauce. I will post a link to my orange chicken in the description box below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Leave me a comment if you wish, and share my link with everyone you know in the universe. Thank you for your support. And thank you so much for stopping by. Be blessed and keep on cooking.